Hey devs, if you are a developer, a cybersecurity researcher, DevOps engineer, or anyone in the uh, tech technology, there's a massive alert for you. Uh, this week, one of the most downloaded npm linters, uh, eslint-config-prettier. This one, sorry, eslint. This one, eslint-config-prettier, with 30 million weekly install, was hijacked and used to drop malware on your machine. Um, so what if I want to explain more? So before that, do you know what is the linter? Linter is something tools for static analysis that flag programming error, bugs, static error, and suspicious construct. Uh, if you are a developer, you know this tool, and if you are just a sec guy, you should know that the dev teams work with this tool. So, um, what's happened? A maintainer fell for phishing email disguised as npm support. The attacker stole the npm token and released the poison update without touching any GitHub repo changes to raise suspicions. You can see in this image. Um, so, um, what is the behind the malware? Uh, the malicious post-install script runs silently on Windows and executing the node slash gyp dll Trojan. And guess what? The AV engine cannot detect it. Only 90 from 72 of the antivirus can detect it based on the VirusTotal. And why it's a big deal for us, for security researchers, security teams, SOC, uh, because we are talking about the trusted linting tool. So the developer often auto accept updates, and this is the textbook supply chain hijacking. And it's not the first. We have seen a lot of this type of the attacks, such as the glue stack, and the whole ecosystem is under fire. Uh, so what you must do if you use this version, stop now. Uh, and you should update to the latest version, and check your log file and audit the npm, and Windows Worker, check the Windows Worker logs since July 18, because this update is very new. Uh, and how you can be secure, you should just tell the security team to enable two-factor authentication on npm, and vet every package update, especially dev tools, and use the STA tools like the npm Audit or GitHub Dependabot can help to catch the problem. So, one phishing email nearly compromise your entirely build chain. Share this video with your team, your anyone in the company that work with DevOps or coding. Please drop a comment if you face a similar scare, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more dev level security alert. And that's it. Stay secure, and please share and subscribe our channel to help the community to know about more security updates.